Today I am going to discuss one problem on square lamina. The problem is like this: a square lamina of 40 mm side rests on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 30 degree to HP and the side on which it rests makes 45 degree to VP. Draw the projections. Okay. First we should know what are the details are given for first portion, second portion and third portion. See by reading the problem. See what is given: square lamina of side 40 mm. Okay. See if we want to draw the first portion, what are the required? First we know that is plane is required. Then how it rests on that plane. Okay. These two parameters are required. Okay. We should identify plane. Which plane is there? Rest on one of its sides on HP. The plane is HP. Okay. The plane is HP. Then how it rests on HP? One of rest on one of its side. Okay. I am writing rest on side. Rest on side. Okay. These two are given in the for the first portion. Okay. Second portion. For second portion, what is given? The lamina makes 30 degree to VP. Lamina means surface of the lamina makes 30 degree to HP. What is the angle here? Theta. See, it's very simple how to identify the theta or phi. Inclined to HP is given, that is theta. Inclined to VP is given, that is phi. Okay. Next, this is the second portion data. Then for third portion, what are they given? The side on which it rests makes 45 degree to VP. The side on which it rests means resting side is inclined to VP at 45 degree. Okay. Resting side. Which side? The resting side is inclined. Resting side is inclined to VP at how much? 45 degree. 45. That is nothing but phi is equal to 45 degree. Okay, na? See, with the help of these data, we will start the projection of plane surfaces. First, we draw the horizontal XY line. Okay, first we have to draw the horizontal XY line. Okay, I am going to draw the horizontal XY line. First, I want to draw the horizontal XY line. Okay, now I will write it as X and this is the Y, and above the XY line vertical plane is there, below the XY line horizontal plane is there. Okay, na? Horizontal line below the. Okay. First portion. See, the given lamina is square. I want to draw the top view first since it is on HP. It is on HP there. I want to draw the top view resting on side. Resting on side. Okay. Draw the top view as a square resting on side. Okay. Draw the top view. Okay. Each side is how much? 40. Each side is how much? 40. This is 40 is given. Okay, na? See here, we should know that resting on side is given. Both side are there. Which side we will consider? Our left side. This side is the resting side. Okay. Okay, I will give name. This since it is a top view, I will give name only small letter A, B, C, D. Then after you project this upward, project this also upward. Okay. Then upward to meet the XY line. Just you join this. Okay. Just you join this. Okay. This is the required front view. Okay. Give name. Where is the observer? Here is the observer is there. Okay. Here is the observer. Okay. What are the points are visible by observing here? B is visible. Write it B dash. C is visible. Write it as C dash. Okay. What about A? By observing here, A coincide with B. Hence it is not visible. Write it within bracket A dash. Okay. See here. D is coincide with C. D is not visible. Write it as D dash. Okay. This is the first position. These are the first set of front view and top view. Okay. With the help of first set of views, we will draw the second set of views, that is a second position. Okay, see what are the given details for the second portion. Theta is inclined, that is nothing but we have to measure we have to draw the 30 degree above the XY line. Okay. Here I want to rotate this front view. Okay, okay. Here in this front view there are 2 points. One point is here and one more point is here. Okay, na? Then which is resting point in these two? This is the resting point. Our left side is this. Okay, this is the left and this is the right. Which side you consider? Our left side is the resting point. Mark it that point first on the XY line. What is the name? B dash bracket A dash. Mark it point. This point, left side. Okay. Then how much degree? 30 degree. Keep the protractor here. Take 30 degree with respect to this XY line. Okay. With respect to this XY line, draw the 30 degree line. This angle is how much? 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Okay, now I want to redraw same front view on this 30 degree line. Redraw, that is nothing but you measure how much is the length from this to this and mark it here. Okay, how much length is there? Same length you have to take and mark it. You have to mark this point as a C dash bracket D dash. Okay. Now draw this front view. Draw this front view. Next, I want to draw the corresponding top view. How to draw the corresponding top view? Very simple. Project all the points from the previous top view and project all the points from the front view downward. Okay, project it. Okay. See on this line, on this horizontal line, A and D, two points are there. A horizontal line from A and our vertical line from A. I will get this point as A. Okay. Then D horizontal line from horizontal line and line from vertical line. This point is what is the name of this point is A and this point is D. Okay. Similarly, horizontal line from B and vertical line from B. Okay, this point is B. Then horizontal line from C, then vertical line from B, C. Then this point is B and this point is C. Join all the points, we will get the required top view. Okay, these are the second set of views. This is the true shape of the top view and this is the apparent shape of the top view. Okay, with the help of second portion, I want to draw the third portion. What are the details given for third portion here? Phi angle is given. Okay, phi angle. Next after 45 degree phi, then after what is given? Resting side, that is nothing but here. Just read it from the side on which it rests makes 45 degree to VP. The side on which it rests means resting side. Okay, makes 45 degree to VP. Okay, I will draw the 45 degree line first. I draw the keep the protractor here with respect to this XY line. Keep like this. Okay, keep the protractor like this. You draw the 45 degree line here. From XY line to this, how much degree? 45 degree. Okay, this angle is 45 degree. Okay, now I want to rotate this top view. Okay, I want to rotate this. This top view has 4 sides: A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. Okay, which edge is inclined to? Which is resting edge here in these 4? A, B is the resting edge. This is the resting edge. That is this. And here this is the resting edge. Okay, this AB is placed on this 45 degree line. Okay, mark it this AB, mark it A. Anywhere here, see, anywhere on this 45 degree line you mark the A. Okay, you take any distance, any convenient distance from the XY line. Okay, anywhere on this. Okay, mark it A. Measure this distance. How much is there? 40, and draw, mark it B. Okay, this is the A and this point is B. Okay, now I want to redraw same top view without changing any dimensions here. Just to take and place it. That is nothing but a same shape you have to redraw here without changing any dimension. Okay, how to redraw? Very simple. This is 90 degrees there, perpendicular is there. Keep the protractor here, take 90 degree. Draw 90 degree. Okay, this is a 90 degree. Okay, here this one, and at A you draw one more perpendicular line. One more perpendicular line. Okay, this is also okay. Now measure this B to C, how much is the measure, and you draw and cut it. A to D, how much is the take and cut it. Okay, somewhere here you will get it here. Huh? This is the point C and this is the point D. Now you join all the points. Okay, now that is nothing but we have to redraw same top view in the third portion without changing any dimensions. The condition is that resting edge AB will incline to 45 degree to BP. Okay, now I want to draw the corresponding front view. It is very simple, is there? Okay, line from A or vertical line and A horizontal line. A and B on XY line is there. This point is A dash. This point is A dash. Now vertical line from B, then horizontal line from D. Okay, this point is P dash. Now vertical line from C, then horizontal line from C. Okay, this point is C dash. Then vertical line from D. Okay, then horizontal line from D. This point is D dash. Okay, join all the points. A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash to A dash. Okay, this is the required front view. See, just you observe green color. All green color lines are thin lines. Blue color lines are thick lines. That is nothing but only views we have to make it a thick line. Okay, front view, top view, front view, top view, front view, top view, front view. Remaining all lines are thin lines. See, like this we have to draw the all the three positions. Okay, thank you.